Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can contact Uber customer service. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be simply accessing your Uber app, and then now you have to remember that you can contact Uber customer service for rides and for the food individually, aka for deliveries. So we're going to go to app on the profile icon, aka account icon at the bottom right. From over here we're going to be tapping on the help icon given on top left corner. Now we will be over here in this two option, which is rides and delivery. Now let's go ahead switch to delivery to show you the contact option for deliveries. Once I've switched to delivery, all you gotta do is simply scroll down a bit. You can also individually select the delivery that you have received and then go through the support section or customer service section to ask the question about it. Otherwise, you can scroll down and tap on support option, and then you can start chatting to them. You can type in your message and ask them any question, or if you would like to report anything, that you can contact as well. Otherwise, you can go back and go to rides. Now when you switch to rides, you will be able to check out this kind of interface. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be tapping on the help with the ride account, membership and loyalty guide to Uber. If this topic helps you out, then you are good to go. Otherwise, tap on the option to go ahead select a particular ride for you. Once you have selected the ride, you can purposely go ahead and report for that one if was any concern. Otherwise, you can scroll down at the bottom and also choose to report for or contact customer support with help with a trip. You can tap on that. You will be able to contact their customer service for the further helps. Those are the method you can do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.